Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your coach and trainer in stocks and crypto. For today's video, we try just to see what is the best investment and the fastest to make money. Now, understand that the best in the past was stock market. Stock market, because some stocks, they can go 100%, 200, 500, 700%, 1000% in 1 year. And we have seen this in many stocks during all these years. Now, if you think about gold and silver, they are dead. As I have mentioned in the last video. So there are some I'm not saying some scammers, I'm not saying that, but you know, these guys, they make you scared of the stock market or Bitcoin and crypto, and they push you to buy gold and silver. Gold and silver is the worst thing you can do in your life. As Warren Buffett said, if you buy 1 ounce of gold 100 years ago, now what you get? 1 ounce of gold. It doesn't change. But in stock market, a company that it is worth 100 million only, it's a very, very small company, it can be 100 billion in 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. You can check, for example, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and the other stocks and the other company. They become each year, they become bigger and bigger and bigger. It means the share, it was $1, then it goes to $5, $10, $20, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Okay? So when the asset, it means the company becomes bigger, so then the price will be bigger and bigger and bigger, and the company will become bigger and bigger, and you will be making more and more and more money. But gold, as I showed you last video, in 2011, the high of 2011, we didn't reach it until now. It was a very big downtrend, and then we have an uptrend, but we didn't even get the high of 2011. It means if you have bought gold and silver, it's a rip-off. And there are some people now asking people to buy gold and silver. Why? Why they are doing this? They are doing this in order that they sell these gold and silver coins to you and to some investors who don't know exactly what they are doing. It's just a rip-off. And they say, these guys, they say that they are against the federal government, they are against everybody, but in fact, they are helping the mint produce these coins that no one wants. Okay? So they sell it to you with a premium, and they say, okay, hold it for 10 years, 20 years, they will be worth something. But in fact, it is not. Now, so gold and silver is not. Now, if you go to bonds, now if you are looking for interest rate 7% to 6%, 3%, it will never work for you. Because waiting for 1 year for 6% or 7%, and the market, you buy any stock, it has done 50% or 100% or whatever percent, it's a rip-off. How can you loan money? This is bonds. How can you loan money to the government? You don't have money. How can you loan? You give a loan to a company, or you go to a municipal, or you go to money to the government. That is, for me, I don't know how the people think, but it is the stupidest thing someone will do. So I say bonds is not the fastest. It's the worst. Gold and silver, you get stuck. You get stuck with coins. And when we have 100,000 or 200,000, if you want to sell them, they will ask you a premium and then they will rip you off of your money. And understand that for those who are buying gold and silver will never be a currency. Never. It was before 1969, where here in America we use silver in our half dollars or in other coins, but it's not. It's the past. And I said that stock market is a good means to make money. And now we have Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now why the whole world are going to that? Because they see a proof. They see the proof. It means any person with average education, even if he is not educated at all, if he saw Bitcoin in 2008 at 0.0001, 3 zeros after the zero, it means less than a cent, 1/10 of a cent, and now it becomes 37, or it becomes 69 or 100,000. This has never happened in any investment so far. That's why now most of the people, they go to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That's the new thing. But understand that since it is volatile, as they say, it can swing too much. It can have a very, very good uptrend. You can make a lot of money. But if you don't exit on time, you don't know when to exit, all your money, profits will be lost. Okay? So this, you need to study the trends, to study investing, and just when you see some money, at least you can exit with some profits. Okay? And understand that you should never put all your money in cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies swings a lot. It can go so high as Bitcoin goes to $69,000 for a Bitcoin, but it can go down to whatever it go down. So you will never know. And this is the problem. Right now, from 69, I think it goes to 31,000. It means 50% lost. And then now from 31,000, right now I think it's today is $37,000. Okay? So it swings a lot. So it all depends on you. But everywhere in the world, they begin to see this investments as the best investment for the people, because it is so fast. People, they can make money so fast. In a few months, you can make a lot of money if you are in the right cryptocurrencies. It happens in the stock market, but the stock market is not as fast as cryptocurrencies. Now, why is that? Because it's like a bubble. The whole world is buying. It's not like a stock market. For example, you see the holder, for example, for Apple or Tesla, you will find some millions of people owning Tesla and Apple and, okay, like these coins, like these companies. But for Bitcoin, how many million we have? You will have I don't know how many, 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, because it's all over the world and they can buy by using the internet. They don't need even to have a bank or so. They have this decentralized exchanges, and they can buy and can sell without even the presence of banks. They can use other means to buy. So that's why the best thing is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But understand, you should know when to buy and when to sell, and this needs training, and you need to see where things go, and at least trade or invest what you can afford to lose. Because if 1 year or 2 or 3 it comes very bad to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you understand that you will lose a lot of money. Compared to stock market, the biggest thing you can have most of the time is 50%, like in 2008. Okay? But from 2008, people, they lost 50% for investors, but they make up this after 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. They make up this 50%, and they make a profit if they stay longer and don't exit. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions, just ask. Thank you very much.